Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. It comes to us with no pressure at all. Now when I test the machine, I found out the machine needs a tune-up and needs to be, the grinder needs to be cleaned, and I give it like deep cleaning. And I did a tune-up for the machine. I deep cleaned the steam one, the whole machine, descale it twice, give it 2 cleaning cycles, and after that I noticed the grinder still not doing very well, so I just replaced the bottom and the top parts. This is the bottom one. It comes with these parts, and this is the bottom one, and this is the top one, and the machine start like working perfect. So let's go ahead and test it. And something else I want to mention, so this is what I'm using now. It's medium roast. So if you want to use the dark roast on this machine, you need to go finer and put bigger amount of grind in here in order to get a pressure in there. Otherwise you need to use the medium roast, the dry one. And actually this is it's better for the grinder too. So let's go ahead and test it. I'll make espresso shot on it. It is this much after I tamp it. Actually it's not straight. It needs to go straight when you tamp. And it got a new gasket also after it cleaned the groove head. There you go. There's the pressure. It's slow dripping. I guess I put more than it's supposed to, or I went finer. But look at the pressure, how it goes crazy. I just need to calibrate it a little bit less. Or I think I push it twice and I get more coffee there, but it's still okay, it works. But it takes longer time. And it's gonna give better shot actually. Look at that crema. 3 layers of coffee. So let's test the hot water first. Well, this is the steamer. That works great. And the steamer. It takes a bit until it gets out the hot water in the system. That works perfect. I like to clean the groove head after. It's refilling. cool. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.